Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Camden County in southern New Jersey, south central Mercer County in central New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Holmesburg, or near Philadelphia, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations and tactics include Philadelphia, Ben Salem, Willingboro, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Bordentown, Beverly, Rockledge, Town, Pemberton, Bremerton, Wrightstown, Westmount, Florence Woburn, and Northeast Philadelphia. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 7A, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 349 and 359, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 25 and 40, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 40 and 58. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Mercer, and Monmouth, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 7 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mulliga Hill, or 12 miles southwest of Gloucester City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations and tactics include Glassboro, Pittman, Clayton, Berlin, Swedesboro, Chislehurst, Atco, Sigleville, Williamstown, Mulliga Hill, Monroe Township, Turnersville, Pikeville, Winnemouth, Pine Valley, and Blackwood. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 2, Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 32 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloudy ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Camden and Gloucester. Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Camden County in southern New Jersey, east central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 7:45 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sicklerville, or 15 miles southeast of Gloucester City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Clayton, Berlin, Shimon, Egg Harbor City, Chislehurst, Atco, Sicklerville, Warden State Forest, Williamstown, Atchison, Basta, Monroe Township, Victory Lakes, Elwood Magnolia, Pine Hill, Clementon, Folsom, and Pine Valley. This includes Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 27 and 41. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, and Gloucester. Right about her. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southern Camden County in southern New Jersey, central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 10 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Glassboro, Lindenwold, Pittman, Clayton, Berlin, Chislehurst, Turnersville, Williamstown, Sicklerville, Monroe Township, Atco, and Mullica Hill. This includes Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 34 and 44. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.